Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Times Up Ummah. Dear viewers, in this video we are gonna talk about the China and India's conflict, where a new report saying India has redirected at least 50,000 additional troops to its border with China in a historic shift towards an offensive military posture against the world's second biggest economy. Dear viewers, the situation on China's India border is becoming more worse, and as always a big threat for India trying something different this time. China made strategic development near the line of actual control, and India has feared that China trying something to take some Indian territories. And I must tell you that over the past few months, India has moved troops and fighter jet squadrons to 3 distinct areas along with border with China. All in all, India has now roughly 200,000 troops focused on the border, which is an increase of more than 40% from the last year. An official has said, whereas previously India's military presence was aimed at blocking Chinese moves, the redeployment will allow Indian commanders more options to attack and seize territory in China if necessary, in a strategy known as offensive defense. And on the other hand, how many troops China has deployed, it's unclear. But according to India, the Chinese army have moved additional troops from Tibet to Xinjiang. China is adding fresh runway buildings, bomb-proof bunkers to house fighter jets, and new airfields along with disputed border in Tibet. Beijing also adding long-range artillery, tanks, rockets regiments, and twin-engine fighters in the last few months. Dear viewers, the Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Wang Wenbin has said the current situation on the border between China and India is generally stable, and the two sides are negotiating to resolve relevant border issues. He answered to a question about the troops deployment. In this context, the words, deeds, and military deployments of relevant military and political leaders should help ease the situation and increase mutual trust between the two sides, not the other way around. Dear viewers, there are different opinions among experts. Some saying China wants to invade Taiwan, and for that China wants to secure the line of actual control, and it is aimed to stop India from attacking. And others saying China wants some big developments on the line of actual control, and that's why China has focused on the Indian border. But what China wants, the time will tell us. But the fear now is that a miscalculation could lead an even deadlier conflict. Several recent rounds of military diplomatic talks with China have made minimal progress toward a return to the quiet status quo that had prevailed along with the borders for decades. An Indian lieutenant general has said having so many soldiers on either side is risky when border management protocols have broken down. He added both sides are likely to patrol the disputed border aggressively. A small local incident could spiral out of control with unintended consequences. The northern region of Ladakh, where India and China clashed several times last year, has seen the largest increase in troops level. And sources have said India will totally deploy over 200,000 troops near the border to counter China, because China has advanced weapons installed on the border. And on the other hand, India is still very weak in comparison with China. But the Indian army has the ability to fight Chinese army on that atmosphere because they are used to with that weather. But Chinese army is a little weak in this condition. But overall, the situation is quite challenging for Narendra Modi, especially India suffered from worst COVID-19 wave that crippled life in India. And also India has challenges on its economic sides as well. Dear viewers, the Chinese intentions are not looking so good, because recently China built over 100 houses in Indian territory in Arunachal Pradesh, and when India looked at their land, the houses were ready. Dear viewers, if you want to watch more informative videos like this, please subscribe Times Up Ummah.